In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a payout in funding pips. So let me just quickly explain how this works. Now, usually they had a different way, but now they actually have a weekly payday, which is Tuesday. So over here on their website, in their blog, it says they have this Tuesday payday. And as you can see, it says over here, they used to have the bi-weekly cycle. However, they now transferred to a fixed payday every Tuesday. So every single Tuesday, you'll be able to do it. As you can see, it says a trader is eligible to request a payout every Tuesday with a 80% profit split. Okay. Now, over here you can of course read some more, and then the examples are these over here on your screen. So in case your master account started Monday, you can request it on Tuesday. On Tuesday you can do it the same day, but it was started on Wednesday, then you can do it after 4 trading days, and then it means that the payout schedule can range from the same day to 4 trading days. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.